Hey everyone, I'm Jess.
And I'm Luciano.
From You Speak Portuguese. And today we're going to teach you some farm vocabulary.
Yes, but before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Little change of scenery today. We are filming at the farm I was born and raised at. So we are inspired to teach you some farm vocabulary. Alright, so for this first round, I'm going to speak the English part, Luciano the Portuguese part, and we'll bounce back and forth between English and Portuguese just to familiarize yourself with the new vocabulary. The first word is farm,
Fazenda,
farmer,
fazendeiro,
fence,
cerca,
land,
terra,
barn,
celeiro,
tractor,
trator,
pickup truck,
caminhonete,
cattle,
gado,
horse,
cavalo,
cow,
vaca,
chicken.
galinha. Right, one more time.
Yes. Farm,
Fazenda,
farmer,
fazendeiro,
fence,
cerca,
land,
terra,
barn,
celeiro,
tractor,
trator,
pickup truck,
caminhonete,
cattle,
gado,
horse,
cavalo,
cow,
vaca,
chicken.
galinha. Do one more time.
Farm,
Fazenda,
farmer,
fazendeiro,
fence,
cerca,
land,
terra,
barn,
celeiro,
tractor,
trator,
pickup truck,
caminhonete,
cattle,
gado,
horse,
cavalo,
cow,
vaca,
chicken.
galinha. Alright, so for this round, I'm going to say the words once and give you some time to repeat. So just listen and repeat. Fazenda, fazendeiro, cerca, terra, celeiro, trator, caminhonete, gado, cavalo, vaca, galinha. Alright, so now I will go through the vocabulary a little faster. Fazenda, fazendeiro, cerca, terra, celeiro, trator, caminhonete, gado, cavalo, vaca, galinha. Faster now. Fazenda, fazendeiro, cerca, terra, celeiro, trator, caminhonete, gado, cavalo, vaca, galinha. Now super fast. Fazenda, fazendeiro, cerca, terra, celeiro, trator, caminhonete, gado, cavalo, vaca, galinha.
Nice job, everyone. Today you just learned some farm vocab words.
Yes, congratulations. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and if you have any comments, just leave right down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Ciao!
Bye! you can work on a farm.
Nice job everyone, now we can work in the farm.
Yes. Just do it.